All right, let's take a look at day 14. Number 5 on here. Julie wrote the following number, 50,046 and 800ths. How is this number represented in expanded notation? Expanded notation, what is it, Miles? Letter H, 5 times 10,000 plus 4 times 10 plus 6 times 1 plus 8 times 100. That is correct. Very good. All right, let's look at number 6. Put the following numbers in order from greatest to least. So we're going to do largest to smallest, and we've got 4 numbers here. All right, what is our largest number that you see up here? Avery? 4,027 and 99 hundredths. That is correct, and I'm going to mark it out. What would come next, Paisley?
4,027 and 900.
Not 9 hundredths. What would it be? Miles? 9 tenths, right? 4,027 and 9 tenths. Okay, remember you have to line the decimals up to start comparing, and you have to fill in with some zeros. What would come after that, Maddie?
427 and 900.
So 4,027 and 9 hundredths, and then that leaves me with 4,027. That is the order from greatest to least. Good. Okay, number 7, write the following number in standard form. Okay, remember standard form is just the number. 802 and 13 hundredths. So it should look like this, 802 and 13 hundredths. When you bubble it in, you bubble in the number that is above. So 802 and 13 hundredths. Everybody got that? All right, and then the last one, number 8, 500,000 times 10. What will that be, Kenny? 5 million. We just add a 0 and we get 5 million. 90 million divided by 10 would be what, Miles? 9 million. We're taking away a 0. Taking away a 0. All right, guys, good job.